So, to be honest, this is really the best deal for you. To be honest. Did I sound honest? We use that phrase when we're going to really start to get down to the nitty-gritty with our clients or our prospects. And we're like, to be honest. Or we may say, truthfully. And what does that do? You see, when we use that phrase, we actually cause more questions to rise up in our audience's mind than we intend. We're thinking in our minds, okay, now I'm really going to get down to the nitty-gritty and give them the info, and your intent is really to be honest with them. Unfortunately, when you preempt your conversation or your statement with, to be honest, my question becomes, well, were you honest with me before? Have you not been honest with me during this whole time, and now all of a sudden you're going to be honest? So I should disregard everything else that you had said from before and only focus on what you're going to say now? That's not our intent at all, is it? Let's change how we introduce that important information to our prospect. Instead of saying, to be honest, well, truthfully, let's always speak from truth. And remember that our bodies speak truth before the words come out of our mouth. Yes, our bodies become this billboard for all of our emotions. So if you're presenting from a point of authenticity, from truth, from honesty, your body, your mannerisms, your gestures, your voice is going to reflect all of that, and your client won't be questioning, are you being honest? And instead of the word to be honest, replace it with something that'll be more appropriate, that won't raise the question. Instead say, to be direct. Okay, now I'm direct. I'm not just being honest. To be direct. This is what this will do for you. Okay, that has a different meaning than, to be honest, this is what it will do for you. So replace the word to be honest with to be direct, or to clarify. Then your prospect is going to look at the situation differently. So the steps for you to look at is, first, discover when you say this. Why did I say that? Make a note, make a mental note to yourself so that you begin to stop and pause, and you can even make a joke out of it with your prospect when you hear yourself, to be honest, I'm not sure why I said that. I've been honest all along. I don't need to say that. Let me clarify. See how different it is, and you can have fun with it. And as you start to be aware of these phrases that you're using that don't serve you and don't serve your prospect, you could begin to remove them. Pause, breathe, and remember other sentences to say or other phrases to say that'll empower you instead of weaken your presentation. My name's Leanne Pashina, founder of Creatively Communicate. We creatively communicate better with our clients when we understand all these nuances in communication, in presentation, in how we say it. We're here to help you. If you have more questions, drop me a line. And here's to your success. See you on the next video.